Hey guys, welcome to today's challenge of Leetcode. This is problem number 993, cousins in a binary tree. So you're given a binary tree and you need to find two nodes which matches x and y given, and those two nodes shouldn't have the same parent, but they should be on the same depth within the binary tree. So here in the examples 2 and 3 are on the same depth 1 in the binary tree, but they have the same parent 1. They are not cousins 2 and 3, and 3 and 4 also are not cousins because they are not on the same level. So an example of a cousin is 4 and 5 here, and example number 2, 4 and 5, these they are cousins because they do not have the same parent, but they are on the same depth in the binary tree. So to solve this problem, I think the best way is to do level-wise traversal in a binary tree, or to do a breadth first search. Breadth first search is equivalent to level-wise traversal in a binary tree. So instead of using a queue and putting a distance attached to each node in the queue, I'll do a different method of level-wise traversal. I'll show you how to do that. So I'll initialize the depth to 0 here, and I'll initialize my level to be a set which is made up of root. Right. Now I'll run until I have any level, which means a level with any number of nodes. Right. What I'll do is I'll now define a next level. Now this is a different way to do level-wise traversal. Instead of putting nodes inside the same level or the same queue, I'm initializing a different queue, and then I will, in the end, what I'll do is I'll assign this next level to be this current level. Okay, so I'll iterate through each of the nodes at current level or the particular depth. So this gives me a way to say that all the nodes in my current level are at the same depth, right? So root is at 0. Now the next nodes will be at 1. Okay, so all the nodes in the current level is actually at the same depth. Now what I need to check is if node.left, which means it's not none, then I need to put this in the next level. Okay, node.left, and I need to do same with node.right. Okay, I want to maintain what are the parents and depth of x and y. So I'll initialize that. So what is my x parent? And its depth. So I'll assign -1, comma none to be depth and parent. So same I'll do for y metadata. Here I'll do -1 and none, and I'll assign depth, comma parent, and I'll update that when I check for the node. Okay, so if I do that, my answer would be if it's meta, the depth of x is same as depth of y, and parent of x is not equals to parent of y. So this should be one, parent of x, right? Now I just need to assign parent and depth for x. So here I'll just check for if node.left.val is same as x, then x meta should be equals to our current depth, and the parent should be node. And I'll same do for elif node.left.value is same as y, then I'll update the y metadata to be the current depth and the node, right? And I'll do the same thing, exactly same thing for the right node. Node.right.val is same as y. I'll update the y metadata to be depth.node. Okay, I can take this depth comma node into a common, and I can put it here, but anyways. Okay, and here I'll assign my next level and become the current level. Okay, let's try to submit this code. Okay, great. So this is a cool trick to not have depth attached to each node, but depth attached to each level. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Subscribe to my channel for more videos like this.